All right, hello everyone. This is the video walkthrough for the mock interview assignment. I would recommend doing the job description ChatGPT conversation assignment first and then this assignment. Essentially in the mock interview assignment, we are going to do exactly what that sounds like, a mock interview with ChatGPT. And then we're just going to similarly copy and paste that conversation into a Google Doc and submit, or we're going to just copy the link from the ChatGPT conversation and submit. So it's really just two steps for this assignment, but again, you'll want to have done the job description ChatGPT conversation assignment first. After completing that, we click into the mock interview assignment, and two steps. First step is this big prompt to give to ChatGPT, and then secondly is just to copy and paste that ChatGPT output into a Google Doc and submit for this assignment, or submit ChatGPT link. Okay. Again, this is, if you've ever applied for a job, this is a really amazing, or interviewed for a job rather. This is a really amazing way to go about a mock interview. Much better than having maybe some friend or something like that do a mock interview with you when they don't necessarily know what the questions would be that they would ask the interviewers. But ChatGPT is going to do really well because it's going to do research. There's a link here I would recommend clicking into. Essentially, the only difference between that and the instructions that are in Canvas is that this will also have tips, like before starting the mock interview, review the job description thoroughly, and then also tips on getting feedback and additional tips, okay? And tips for ending the interview, which is really, really important, including the idea of having 2 or 3 questions prepared for the company about the role, about the role and the company. Very important to always have some questions lined up. That's another thing that people don't necessarily always think about right at the bat. But anyway, so how to do this assignment. Tell ChatGPT your plan. I would like to participate in a mock interview. Please consider that I am a recent graduate and focus on questions on academic projects, internships, and transferable skills rather than extensive work experience. I am applying for the insert job title position at insert company name. Here's the job description I'm applying for. Paste full job description. Here's my resume I've customized for this role. Again, why you want to have done the job description assignment first. Paste resume. And then please act as an HR interviewer for company name. Conduct a professional job interview with me for the position, please. Stay in character as the HR interview throughout our conversation. Ask relevant questions based on both the job description and my resume. Provide realistic follow-up questions based on my responses. Evaluate my answers professionally. Give constructive feedback about the interview is complete, and follow a typical interview structure. So then we're going to say, please start by introducing yourself as the HR interviewer and begin with your first question. Okay, so super simple. I'm going to take this, copy, paste, and then I'm going to take the job title. This is my job I wanted to apply for over here. And I'm going to get the job title, which is Junior AI Engineer position at, and then the company name is Q-Centrix. And here's the job description I'm applying for. Paste full job description here. And I'm just going to go down here, Command C, job description, paste. Okay. And then because I have the resume as a PDF, I'm going to say, instead of here's my resume that I've customized for the role, I'm going to say, I have attached my resume that I customized for my role as a PDF. Okay. And then I'll get rid of this. Okay. And then please act as an HR interview at Q-Centrix. Okay. Okay. All right. And then now I just need to attach, of course, my resume. Okay. And give it. All right. And now it's going to, like I said, like we asked, please start by introducing yourself as the HR interviewer and begin with your first question. G-Centrix HR interviewer, mock interview simulation. Hi, Justin. It's great to meet you, and thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. My name is Erica Moore, and I am HR partner with Q-Centrix. I'll be leading your interview for the junior AI engineer role. Okay. Great. Well, we're excited to learn more about your academic background, entrepreneurial projects, and how your transferable skills might align with our mission of improving clinical data solutions. Let's begin with a few warm-up questions to help us get to know you a bit better. Can you start by telling me a bit about yourself and what led you to apply for this junior AI position at QCentrics? So then I will answer this question. I will answer all the questions it has, and then near the end, it should ask me if I have any questions for the company. When you get to that point, and you're ready to end the interview, again, check this where it says tips for ending the interview. Really good here. Check that for how to bring it to a close. And then when you have it to a close, simply, just like before, either copy and paste all of this into, let's do Google Docs. Okay. Save. Anyone with link, copy link, back to Canvas, and then I can submit that link, or simply this link up here, share, create link, public link, make this chat discoverable, allowed to be shown in web searches, yes, copy link, copied, and then add it over here. Okay. So hopefully you can see the value in this. This is a really amazing thing. If you're stressing ever about an interview, this is a really amazing way of doing it. If you've ever done a mock interview with like a friend or a family member, you can see how much better this is, even though it's text. You can actually set it to like talk.
Hi, Justin. It's great to meet you, and thank you for taking the time to.
And similarly, you can talk back and have it speak like speech to text. So you could have the whole thing like verbal if you wanted to as well. And then you'd also have a transcript of it that you could use for the submission. Okay, so those are the two assignments this week, the job description and the mock interview. Both of them are pretty simple, but you can also see like the value in both of them. Hopefully like you apply that to a job interview process or job application process and stand out because of it. So really cool. But I do gotta let you go. Reach out, of course, if you have any thoughts or questions whatsoever. I'm happy to help. Okay. All right. Best. Have a good week. Bye.